Hi guys, this is Tiffany with High Seas Cruising with a fun cruise tip for you. One thing I do like to do, and Chris likes to do when we are traveling, is collect souvenirs. My favorite thing to collect is magnets. They're inexpensive, little. I can put them in my backpack and not worry about them breaking or getting lost or anything like that, and then come home and we have the refrigerator to put them on, and we can see all the places that we've been. I like finding different magnets that are unique and that I've never seen before. I've also found that I like to find magnets like this one here that we got at Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. It's a glass bottle with a cork top on it, and I was able to take some of the sand from Half Moon Cay and fill it so that we always have some of the sand with it. One of Chris's favorite souvenirs is pictures. He loves pictures. Pictures we can always go back and take a look and remember the fun times and that stuff that you forget you have pictures of. So they're great memory makers. One thing that I found that I like to do is when we travel to the beaches and stuff, I like to collect the seashells from the different beaches from that trip. And then we put together this board here of all of our pictures. We put some of the daily itineraries in there for him. And then I took the seashells that we collected from the beaches on that trip and I went around the border with it so that we have the seashells from that trip along with the pictures from that trip. It's an inexpensive, easy way to showcase your trip. We haven't done this for all the trips because then the whole house would be covered with these, but I am planning on making some picture frames, smaller picture frames, so that is an inexpensive idea. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip video on some of our favorite souvenirs. Let us know what some of your favorite souvenir ideas are in the comments section. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.